Welcome to Fiscal Faults. If you don't need pennies for food, but serious capital and quickly, forget about writing lyrics. Today we go to the big leagues. AI automation. We'll sell businesses the implementation of neural networks for checks starting at $2,500 without writing a line of code. I'll show you how to close 2 deals in 2 weeks and pocket $5,000. Let's go. Step 1. Packaging of expensive product. Day 1 to 2. Businesses now critically need AI assistance for customer support or CRM automation. What we're selling: an AI employee who responds to customers 24/7 and makes appointments himself. Price for the customer: $2,500 to $3,500. Where to get the product? Go to exchanges like Upwork or dedicated developer Discord servers. Find a pro who makes a chatbot like this for $500 to $700. Your margin is at least $2,000 per sale. Step 2. Finding money clients. Day 3 to 7. You need businesses that have high LTV, customer value. Real estate agencies, dentistry, law firms, or online schools. Method: cold outreach through LinkedIn or Instagram. Script: Hi, I've noticed your managers spend hours answering direct. I can implement an AI system that will qualify leads and make appointments automatically. If it doesn't work, you don't pay. Tool: Instantly.ai or Apollo.io for mass mailing and mailing lists. Step 3. Closing the deal. Day 8 to 12. Your task is to get the person on Zoom. Presentation: don't talk about technology. Talk about how much money they'll save on managers and how many leads they won't lose at night. Closing: take a 50% advance payment, $1,250 to $1,500. This is your working capital. Action: immediately give the TK to your developer and pay him a portion of the amount, $200 to $300 as an advance. Step 4. Delivery and settlement. Day 13 to 21. The developer assembles a system on make.com or VoiceFlow in 3 to 5 days. Finale: present the finished system to the client, train him to press one button, and collect the rest of the amount, $1,250 to $1,500. Zooming: one closed client is a case. With this case, you close the next one twice as fast. The bottom line: 2 such deals, and you have $5,000 in net profit minus developer fees. It's a business based on connections and the ability to sell a solution to a problem, not your time. Do you want me to drop a ready-made script for LinkedIn that opens doors to company owners? Subscribe to Fiscal Faults, like it, and write the word BOOT in the comments. Time to make big money.